Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. What an exciting day. Congratulations to all Bitcoin holders on breaking yet another all-time high at $77,000. Let's dive into the technicals and discuss what might be next for Bitcoin's price action. So here's what we're looking at. Bitcoin's been on an unstoppable surge, pushing past $77,000. On the 1-hour chart, we spotted a bearish divergence on the wave trend indicator from November 6th through 8th, hinting that some cooling might have been on the horizon. But then BlackRock entered the scene with a staggering $1.1 billion, yes, that's billion with a B,
Billions and billions and billions and
in
billions.
Bitcoin purchases in just a single day. And when that kind of institutional money enters, it's hard to expect anything but fireworks in the market. Now we're heading into the weekend, which typically brings lower trading volumes. And as many of you know, this lower volume can open the door to whale manipulation, so keep your eyes on the chart. If big players step in, they could sway the price, and we might see some unpredictable movements. Let's talk about the liquidity heat map. Right now, we have a massive short liquidation pocket sitting right around $77,000 to $78,000. with about $6.5 billion in short liquidation volume just waiting there. You all know what this could mean. We could push right through to $78,000 if the momentum holds. So keep an eye on that level. It's looking very likely at this point. But on the flip side, if we check out the 12-hour heat map, we're seeing another liquidity pocket forming around $75,500. This could act as a key downside target for the weekend if we see some cooling off. The MACD indicator just flipped bullish with a fresh cross today, signaling we still have strength in the uptrend. As for me, I'm holding steady on the sidelines for now. I'm waiting to see some price action cool down and decline, which should offer a more strategic re-entry for a new long position. If you want to know exactly when I'm jumping back in, join my Discord community. I share all my entry and exit points along with my trading thoughts and strategy updates. The link's in the pinned comment below, so come check it out and stay in the loop with our growing community. And if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your support helps me keep this content going, and you won't miss any of the real-time updates on Bitcoin's wild moves. And see you in the next one.